If you're in Blender working in the graph editor and you're trying to adjust the handles to your keyframes, but you just happen to keep moving the keyframe around and not the handle, then you're having the same issue that I struggled with. And it turns out the reason for this is because you have proportional editing turned on. That's this little button on the top right-hand side of the graph editor. It looks like a target. So if you unclick that, you'll find that now when you grab those handles, you can work freely without moving the keyframe. I hope this helped you guys. I definitely spent way too long trying to figure out why it was the way it was, and now I am free to animate and continue my project. I hope this helped. Please check out my playlist in Blender if it did, and I will see you guys in another video.